In my previous video, you understood that what is sexual reproduction and what is flowering plants. And we discussed in my first video that flowering plants are angiosperm. Flowering plants are angiosperm, means angiospermic plants are known as flowering plants because they bear flowers. And you better know that what is sexual reproduction, means there is formation and fusion of gametes takes place. So there is two things. Sexual reproduction means कि formation and fusion of gametes, and flowering plants means all the angiospermic plants which bear flowers. Now I ask one question to all of you, that anybody of you can tell me what is flower? What is flower? What is flower? Anybody of you tell me. You and you also tell me what is flower. Anybody of you don't know? Okay. Flower, you know very well about flower. You see the flower, but could not able to explain what is flower. Anybody of you? It is very bad thing. It is very bad thing. Now be aware, be committed, and listen carefully, read carefully, think about what you study. Flower. You see the flowering plants, and today when you go to your house, then you see the plants which have flower, and the stem. By the stem you go to the tip of the flower, and you see there the stem modify into flower. So this time, like this. These are the roots, these are the stems, these are the leaves, and these are flowers. From here you see that this this stem go to at the tip, and this converted into the flower. So flower is the modification. Flower is the modification of stem. Understood? When anybody asks you that what is flower, then you tell that flower is modification of stem. Flower is modification of stem, means कि stem modified to form flower. It means stem modified to form flower. Now, anybody of you can tell me that why stem modified to form flower? You do any work, so there is any reason. Without reason, you can't do any work. You come here for reading. Why? For your bright future. So here, this stem, if modify and form the flower, then why it is necessary to form the flower by this stem? What is the reason behind this? That stem modify. Why? Anybody of you can try to give the answer of this question, that why stem modify? No, it is for reproduction. Okay, this is your chapter here. The reproduction, stem modify to form flower for reproduction. And you know very well that reproduction means it is a biological process by which an organism has ability to form their new offspring. So existence of life of any organism till their death, he produce their offspring. That's why their existence is running on this earth. So, for this purpose, the flower is formed. Now, we are going to discuss parts of flower. Parts of flower. In this lecture, perhaps you understood that what is flower, what are stems, why stems modify to form flower. Is that clear? So, now we are going to discuss parts of flower. Okay? The flower have 4 parts. First, calyx. Second, corolla. Third, androecium. And fourth part, that is gynoecium. That's why you see here that there are 4 parts of a flower. Now, you know that there are 4 parts of a flower, that is calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. You see the flower very carefully, and these parts, calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium, these are the 4 parts of a flower. The calyx is the outer green parts which cover the bud condition. Understood? You see a bud, and this bud is this type. So this is a bud, and this bud is covered by outer green parts, and these outer green parts is known as calyx. Okay? So the calyx is the outer green parts which cover the bud in primitive stage. When a bud is in primitive stage, at that time the calyx cover them. Why? Why this cover? For protection.